Buy to open, sell to open, buy to close, sell to close. What does it all mean? It's so confusing. I just don't get it. Well, fear no more, folks. You come to the right place. I'm going to explain the difference between the four types of transactions that take place with options. The stock we're going to use today is Apple. Let's say I think Apple is going to go above $145 by November 19th, which is approximately 27 days away. Well, I could buy to open a call option. What does that mean, buy to open? Well, I'm going to be opening a position in Apple and I'm long Apple. What does that mean? The long position is always the buying position. It's that simple. And since I'm buying Apple and I'm opening a position, I'm going to be buying to open, which means I'm pressing the buy button first. I'm opening a position and I'm pressing the buy button first. Therefore, I am buying to open. Whenever you're opening a position, you're always going to have either a sell or a buy in front of the word open. And when you're closing a position, you're always going to have either a buy or sell in front of the word close. So, back to buy to open. I'm buying a call option on Apple. It's an outflow of cash. I'm giving away the cash and buying that call option from somebody else on the open market. I'm opening a position in Apple, therefore I am buying to open. Whenever you click on the buy button first, you always buy to open. Now, what is sell to close? Well, let's say I buy this call option for Apple and I make about 400%. All right, I have an ROI of about 400%. And I obviously want to lock in those profits. I don't have any desire whatsoever to exercise. All right, I simply want to close my position, exit the position, and lock in those profits. Since I bought to open, I'm going to simply do the opposite of that. What is the opposite of buy? Well, it's easy. It's sell. So, what is the opposite of open? It's close. So if I want to exit my position in Apple and I initially bought to open on that position, I would merely sell to close to exit my position in Apple. Notice how you always have this scheme. The scheme is I have some word in front of the word open when I'm opening a position, when I'm starting a position. It's either buy or sell. And when I want to close my position, once again, I follow the similar scheme. I either have the word buy or sell in front of the word close. So I'm buying to open Apple. What do I do in order to lock in those profits and exit my position? I'm going to sell to close. So whenever you have a buy to open transaction, you will naturally have a sell to close that position. All right? Buy to open, sell to close. Now let's move on to sell to open. If you're selling to open something, I'll have to change this to red. Now, when I go to trade, you'll notice it will no longer say submit buy order. It's going to say submit sell order. And I'm pressing the sell button first. Therefore, I am selling to open my position in a call option for Apple. That's the underlying asset. All right. If you press on the sell button first, it means you are selling to open. Opening means you're starting a new transaction. Okay. This is a brand new transaction. You haven't done it before, right? You're opening a position, therefore you're selling to open. Now, what would I do if I wanted to exit this position once again? It's super simple. You take the opposite. You do the opposite of what you did initially. You change the words according to what you did initially. What does that mean? If you sell to open, well, once again, what is the opposite of sell? It's buy. And you opened it, right? You sold to open. What is the opposite of open? Well, it's close. So you're going to buy to close in order to lock in the profits from you shorting a call option on Apple. You're always, I cannot stress this enough. You're always going to have the same scheme. Something open, or something to open, rather. Something to open. And then at the end, you're going to have something, either a buy to close. That's what I'm referring to when I say something. You're either going to have a buy or sell to close. So in the beginning, you will have buy, right? Either buy to open or sell to open. Okay? Buy to open or sell to open. And at the end, you will have either sell to close or buy to close. Whatever you did initially, okay, just do the opposite to find the closing position. It's not more complicated than that, folks. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully I've aggrandized your options lexicon. If I have, be sure to give me a nice smash on that like button. And hey, if you like my videos, why not subscribe? Have a wonderful day, folks. Stay frosty.